Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, there's a lot changing around here. Got David here with me, and we've been moving my stuff. So Big Red and the Valiant, Big Red and the RX-7 are at his house. Mr. Jones is right here, and I'm about to take him for about a 45-mile trip to Chattahoochee, where I have a camper that I bought. Gonna be living out of the camper for a little while, so means the channel's gonna have a lot less videos for now, but this is all for a promotion at work. So I'll be moving in a couple months to Panama City, so it's all good news, but just gonna have to slow down on the channel. The Magnum motors are at work in the shop, the toolbox is at work in the shop, and the LA that I had sitting here and the transmission, I sold that, and that's pretty much it for selling stuff, right? Just the LA and the transmission?
Yeah, little knickknacks and other just
Yeah.
car stuff. As far as car stuff, that's about
Yeah, as
it.
far as car stuff, the inside of the house, I sold everything because I'm gonna be in a camper. So literally sold everything out of the house, except for the refrigerator that goes with the house. But it needs to be cleaned, but we are almost done. So yeah, my bedroom here. Zoom out. Big changes. Okay, so there's the inside of the house, but gonna go ahead and get about a 45-mile trip. Gonna hit the gas station, need to hit my office, drop off. I have some of my books and just some stuff in here from inside the house. Gonna take that to my shop and then head to the camper, and I'll show you guys the camper when we get there. While I'm on the way to the campsite, we have some footage from earlier today. I'll show you that real quick.
A little sketchy.
Yeah, the RX-7 trip was sketchy.
Good time.
Relocating. She's dirty. She'll ride. Sketchy. RX-7. He's sweating it.
And the air conditioner's on. Here, let me see that thing. I'm gonna hang it out my window. I don't know if
Get the wheel wobble.
I can see the wheel wobble or not. I'm watching it in the mirror right here.
Here at David's, he was nice enough to let me keep the truck here and the RX-7. So just need to buy covers. I do have a 10x20 carport, little aluminum frame or steel frame with just like a carport from Harbor Freight. So put that over the truck, put a cover over it, put a battery kill switch on it for now, and be back for it later. Of course, the rain would start as soon as we're pulling out. Good times.
Mr. Jones leaving Blue Spruce for his last time. That dude won't be coming back here no more. Crazy even think about that. Car got towed over here. Parts and pieces pieced together. And basically built in that garage. And now he's going from there and on to his new life.
Okay, so fired it up, blue black smoke, smelled rich. Watched the AFR went to 20. So I'm thinking I have some trash in the fuel or something like that. So what I did, there's actually a little soot in there. What I did is, so that the turbo doesn't give it any more air, I went ahead and just took the hat off. That way we should try to limp it home. Got about 10 miles to go. Try to get out of here, get home, get to camp. All right, so it's doing it again. I don't know what's going on. AFR went 20 again. It was running perfect. Okay guys, made it back to camp. Everything's set up. Just wanted to show y'all a quick view. Got the grill going. Got Phoebe out here. And mom and dad are in the camper 2 spots over. But we'll do a video later on the camper. As far as Mr. Jones goes, started running perfect on that after I stopped that last time. And let me come over here with her. Anyways, it was running perfect. And I got into the gas a little bit. And AFR was showing good, 13, something like that, 12.5. Rolled in the gas pretty hard, and it started stumbling, and then went up to 20 AFR. So I'm thinking there's some trash in the tank stopping up the pickup. Not really sure, don't have time to mess with it today. It's 4:40 on a Sunday, got to get ready for work, got a grill. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the camping stuff and what you guys would like to see. But it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna miss the old house, but we're gonna have good times out here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if y'all want to see some camping stuff. See you guys next time.